Hi there, Mike here. This is going to be a short video where I address an issue that a number of users are seeing after installing Bazzite, specifically when they are dual booting on the same drive as Windows. It looks like some BIOSes don't scan every drive for more than one EFI partition, so the Fedora option for booting Bazzite is never added. I found a way to make the boot option appear permanently. Let's jump right in. Here you can see that Fedora, which is Bazzite, is not showing up in the boot menu. We only have the option to boot Windows. If I go into the BIOS and I use the boot from file option and I select the second EFI partition and then I select EFI Fedora shim x64, I can load up Bazzite, but having to do this every time is very annoying. Fortunately, I found a simple solution to restore the Bazzite boot option in your BIOS permanently. Go into your BIOS, we're going to select boot from file again, select the second EFI partition, select EFI, now select boot instead of Fedora, and then select bootx64.efi. This will load the boot option restoration screen. Now when the system restarts, we get directly into Bazzite. Now if we go back to our boot menu, we now have our Fedora option that will boot Bazzite directly without having to use the boot from file every time. And that's it. The simple process tells your BIOS to recognize the Bazzite bootloader and adds it as a permanent boot option. You should now be able to select Fedora directly from your boot menu whenever you want to boot into Bazzite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more Linux and Bazzite tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.